Apple Watch Remote Control. Requires both MOGO and Apple Watch paired to the same iPhone. Apple Watch can remote control MOGO. Tap the camera icon on Apple Watch to enter camera interface. Press side button to exit. When MOGO is using face tracking, tap a person on the watch's live view to lock tracking face in multi-person scenarios. Rotate the side button to adjust focus. Support switch between front-rear cameras. Tap the 4 directional arrows to adjust MOGO tilt-pan axis rotation. Double tap left-right arrows for 180 degrees pan rotation. Single press to capture. Function identical to iPhone's native camera shutter. Panorama mode. Single press shutter for panoramic shots, wider framing.